Weekdays are weekdays, but what you don't have is a ton of time. And so I like recipes that you can do one pan, and this is one of those dishes. I've got a pan on a pretty high heat. I'm gonna add lots of salt to some cod, cayenne, super spicy vegetable oil. And then we go. You start, that cayenne, baby. We're good. This is my favorite mustard, Sir Kensington mustard. I'm gonna grab some garlic and just kind of grate it in there. 2 cloves of garlic, a little bit of salt in there, and then I'm gonna add some honey. And just a little bit of veg oil. Shake and shake. If the fish is sticking, I wanted to find something that rhymes. If the fish is sticking, don't come a-lickin'. No, that doesn't work. Just don't flip it. We're off the bottom. Here we go. We've got this beautiful sauce, really gorgeous. Just look at the consistency here. So I'm just gonna put a little bit of this over each fish. Give it a little paint. The fish is starting to flake. That's a really good sign. You can kind of see how they're starting to break apart. That is perfectly cooked. I mean, the rest of that mustard in. Let that cook for a sec, and then I'm gonna add some cream. And it kind of just has this really thick consistency that coats the back of a spoon. That's money. Nutmeg and greens are like peanut butter and jelly. And then some lemon zest. So I'm gonna literally just take the kale, kind of rip it right into the cream. Look at that kale. I'm gonna add just a little bit of lemon right in. Turn off the heat. This is how you take this to the table. So a little bit of the kale. Throw a piece of fish on top. Come on. Fresh thyme would be gorgeous. All right, so tuck that lemon in. And this looks old school to me, right? But old school's the best school. And this is what it's all about. Comfort food at its best. Crispy cod, one pan. For more recipes, head to joelgamoran.com.